How to report and delete someone's Facebook account. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I will be teaching you how you can report and delete someone's Facebook account. If you'd like to report and delete someone's Facebook account, at first you have to go to Facebook on your device. You could go to the Facebook or also Facebook Lite. Now after you go to the Facebook or the Facebook Lite on your very mobile device, now you can go to the person that you would like to just report on the Facebook. Now after you find the person, you can go to the three dots here, and then here you can go to the option of report the profile. After tapping on report the profile, now you can go to the option of something about this profile. It can be any of those that is pretending to be someone, fake account, fake name. You can tap on this, and then you can go to the option of anything that it was just focusing on. Then you can tap on the name, the celebrity or any of those, then go to the next there and report the person. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.